What up, essays? Here we are in the middle of the Section 8 project. And this little piece of equipment right here might be the difference between you sleeping on a bus stop or running industrial equipment. So let me show you something. You see, this right here is a tiny VFD drive. And I picked it up online for about 40 bucks. But don't worry, because these units were made out of the finest sweatshop the world has to offer. But don't let the price fool you, because this little thing right here does something pretty wild. You see, this little unit right here takes regular house power and it turns it into something that factories use to run motors. Once you start understanding things like this, you start understanding how machines and factories actually work. But watch what happens when I fire it up. So I got two wires coming in. One is white and one is black. So there ain't no segregation here. So whoop! So basically we have single phase power coming in and we have three phase power going out to this motor. The straight out of the box setting allows you to run the start and the stop and the speed control on your HMI interface. Now here's the crazy part. Most people don't realize what these little drives can actually run. Drives like these and larger ones actually run conveyors, pumps, and machine tools. But if you really wanted to, this thing will run your washer, your dryer, or your blender to make you a smoothie. And that's if you learn how to wire it right. You see, sometimes what it takes is investing in yourself. And for 40 bucks, that's exactly what you can do. So I'm gonna try to get out of here before somebody tries to rob me for all this copper. But until the next time, stay safe out there, boys.